Hello kids, let's get into the subject. Chapter 3, the keyboard and the mouse. Let's see what we are going to focus in this chapter. Keyboard, keys on a keyboard, and mouse. Keyboard. You use pencil to write in your notes. In the same way, a keyboard is used to type on a computer screen. Writing on a computer using the keyboard is called typing. Keys on a keyboard. A keyboard has some alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, function keys, arrow keys, and enter key. Let's have a quick tidbit. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Next, alphabet keys. The middle part of the keyboard has all the letter keys. These keys are used for typing words. The first 3 rows have 26 letters. That is A to Z. The first row has 10 letters. Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. The second row has 9 letters. A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. And the third row has 7 letters. Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. And you know this fact hunt? The letters on the left of the top row of a keyboard are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. Hence, a keyboard is called a QWERTY keyboard. Number keys. There are 10 number keys. We use number keys to type numbers. On a keyboard, there are 2 sets of number keys. One set is above the alphabet keys. Another set is on the right side of the keyboard. This set is also called as numeric keypad. The numeric keypad works only when the number lock key is on. Space bar key. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space when we type words, letters or numbers. Enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. There are 2 enter keys on a keyboard. Delete key. The delete key is used to remove characters and objects. It generally deletes the characters to the right of the cursor as well as the highlighted text and object. Backspace key. The backspace key is used to delete the characters to the left of the cursor. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. There are 4 arrow keys. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor left. Right arrow key is used to move the cursor right. Let's see this fact hunt. Did you know the first computer had no keyboard? People used special cards to input data. Mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. It helps to move pointer on the screen. A mouse helps to select items on the monitor. You can draw and color pictures using a mouse. Let's have a quick tidbit. The first mouse was made of wood. Mouse buttons. A mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. Left button. Use this button to point and click in a specific location. Right button. This button is used to click and open the special menu. Scroll wheel. This is the middle part of a mouse. It is used to move up and down the page. And you know the trivia? The computer mouse is kept on a pad called mouse pad. Mouse pointer. Similar to how we use our fingers to choose something, we use the mouse to select something on a computer. The arrow on the computer monitor is called the mouse pointer. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, you will see the mouse pointer moving on the screen. Holding the mouse. When you hold a pencil, you hold it with your thumb and two fingers. You must hold the mouse in a right way. A student who is left-handed will hold the mouse in a different way than a right-handed student. The right-handed student will put their index finger on the left mouse button and their middle finger on the right mouse button. The left-handed student will put their index finger on the right mouse button and their middle finger on the left mouse button. Mouse actions. Pointing. This involves moving the mouse with your hands to a specific location on the screen. Click. To press and then release any of the mouse buttons. This is done after you have pointed to an item. Types of clicks of a mouse. Single click. To select an item, press the left mouse button only once. Double click. This is accomplished by rapidly pressing the left mouse button 2 times. Right click. Displays a list of commands from the application to choose from. Dragging. Dragging means moving the mouse on the mouse pad while keeping its left button pressed. It helps in moving an item from one position to another on the monitor. Let's have a tidbit. The mouse can also be wireless. They have no cords or wires attached. Let's have a chapter recap. A keyboard is used to type on a computer screen. Alphabet keys are used for typing letters, words, and sentences. Number keys are used for typing numbers. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left, and right. The backspace and delete keys are used to erase characters to the left or right of the cursor. A computer mouse is a pointing device. It has 2 buttons, the left one and the right one, and a scroll wheel. The mouse may be wired or wireless. The arrow on the monitor is called the mouse pointer.